Okay, so today I want to share one of the first few projects I built using HTML. It wasn't a fancy app, no animation, but I was genuinely proud of this project because it addressed a real problem. It was a feedback form that I built for the Turing Tech full stack development program. Let's switch to the screen. Let me do a quick walkthrough. Okay, so here is it. It is called Turing Tech Training Survey Form. And the idea behind it was simple. A program should have a way of collecting structured feedback from trainees about their learning experience. So I built one. So as you can see, we have the name field, the email, the phone number. Then it gets into the real questions. Which learning track do you enjoy most so far? So we have option of choosing. Which instructor method or style do you enjoy most? So here I injected a bit of humor because these are pseudonyms. The trainees will find out that these are pseudonyms, but they could figure out which name belongs to which instructor here. Okay, now do you find the training so far? How do you find the training so far? Interesting, confusing, dull, oversimplified. So you have the radio button to choose any of these options. How was the trainer's piece? Perfect. I was following along for the gurus in the class. Too fast for those who needed it to be for the trainer to slow down. Then for those who already know the basics, they may feel it's too slow. Okay, so this is the option to choose from. Then you have how clear are the explanations so far? Very clear. There's not been taught. Sometimes clear, sometimes confusing. Then you have the third option, not clear, I'm struggling. Then the number 6 question, how is your learning environment? You have a good laptop, stable internet, no issue, good for you. You have minor issues, but you are coping. Then serious issue for those who are having internet trouble, power issue, laptop or setup. Then for those having other issues, they can choose the last option. What other courses would you like to see added to the curriculum if possible? So the training has its defined courses, but here I'm asking if you have the option of choosing more course for the trainers to offer. What course would you like to see added to the curriculum? So here we have a project management, data analysis, advanced Python. So you could choose more than one option actually if you would like to see more courses added to the curriculum. So for me, if you ask me, I would like to choose prompt engineering, cybersecurity, and advanced Python. So the trainees have the option of choosing it. Then the last question, how confident are you that you're going to finish strong? So if you're highly confident, you choose this. If you're confident, this. Okay, so I think this is a bug here. You should not have to be able to select more than one radio button. Okay, I'm going to look into that and fix that. So here you have text area where you can enter your suggestions and then the submit button. When I reviewed the code again for this project before shooting this video, I found some bugs, errors, typos, and I think that's the point of building in public. You don't just show your wins, you also show your errors and bugs. So instead of me fixing it off camera, I decided to fix it even while shooting. Okay, so let's now fix the bugs that has been identified. In line 84, there is a typo here. I have a VLAUE instead of value. So with that typo, it means that if a user selects not clear, I'm struggling, that response is suddenly lost. So we have fixed that. Then in line 132, okay, 131, 132. So we have the first one finished and other one's environment. All should be finished. Okay, so let's now go back and see if our box has been fixed. Okay, so we can now select only one radio button. Okay, so here's the thing. This form was never officially used. It was not a class project. In fact, it was not acknowledged. But I built it anyway because I saw a gap and I tried to fill it. And I think this is what separates developers who grow from those who don't. You don't wait for permission to build something useful, something that addresses a particular challenge. My name is Nnamdi, and I'm currently in a full stack development program. And this is me showing off for the 60 days build and publish challenge. So if you're also learning to code, keep building things that matters, even when no one is watching, because someone is always watching.